In front of me is Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to click on fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Then tap on face unlock, enter your current login method and click on start. Then choose next in the pop-up, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now name your face data however you want to, hit done and go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I guess that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!